We just made it. Look to your left right here. Look how beautiful it is.
We just got on the ferry boat. This is the one that goes from Akarska to Brac. It's about half an hour, so we'll show you the trip along the way, and then we'll meet you on the other side. Little boat guy.
Little white guy.
Whoa. Oh, here, let me back up. This looks nice.
Passenger feet go here.
We're putting our camera away and taking out the GoPro, so the rest of this video, or a lot of this video, you're just gonna see it through the GoPro's eyes.
This is my first time driving a bike like this, not gonna lie.
Welcome to the Croatian island countryside.
Welcome to it! This is the best!
Following the signs. So I really hope that we get to the right places in time for everything. But I think we're doing a pretty good job. The signs here are amazing, and it's really, like, the roads are really nice. It's really easy to get around. This is the only sandy beach here in Brac. It's really, really beautiful. I thought there was going to be nobody here, but there's actually a lot of people here. So no matter when you come, I think there's going to be a decent amount of people here, but totally worth coming to. I'm pretty far. You can see how far I am from the shoreline right now, and the water's still only waist deep. Gonna swim out there and then come back, and then we're going to go to our next destination. We got Hammer.
Mirror selfie. So I don't know what this place is called at all, but it's absolutely incredible.
It's so much more soothing than the other spot. There's a lot less people, the water is so much more calm, and you get a view of this beautiful city while you're swimming in the water. So I love this place already way more. And there's also showers. So.
Nothing like a sandwich right before you're gonna jump in the water.
I made sandwiches.
All right. I'm gonna show you guys what it's like in the water. Ruthie's still eating. She's going by the rule of wait 30 minutes until you go in the water. I'm just gonna jump right in.
popular part called the Golden Horn, and it's called something else in Croatian, but we're going there now. It's probably going to be about a half hour to 45-minute ride.
So we just made it over to Bull. You have to pay like 20 kronas for parking, which isn't too bad. So we're gonna head over to the beach and then just hang out there for a little bit before making it to our next destination.
We made it to the busiest beach in Brac.
But it's beautiful. The water is beautiful. It kind of looks like sand. It's not sand, but it's like nicer rocks, so that's nice.
We're heading out of Zlatni Rat right now. I can see why this is the most popular beach because it is really, really cool and unique. I've never seen anything like this before. I'm just not a huge fan of the rock beaches.
I'm also not a huge fan of like the crowds. So this one has a lot more crowds than all the other ones we've been to today. So a lot of the other ones are a little bit more secluded. You can swim, feel free, like leaving your stuff and not have to worry about it. But I think here there's just like a lot more people and a lot more crowds. But that comes with being the most popular beach in the area.
Yeah. Check out this cove. Oh, I can tell you the name of it. There he is.
This feels so good.
This cove is pretty secret. We only found out about it from a guy and his girlfriend. His girlfriend is from Croatia, and they said that they were looking things up and they saw this place online, so they were gonna try and come here, and then we stole their idea and we came here too. I think it's called Tusijak Luke, which is
To see Jack.
To see Jack, but I could be wrong, so here's what it's actually spelled like above me. It's a cove, so it's not technically a beach, and it's really, really close to the Sumitra ferry station. It's really nice here. It's like everywhere else where it's like mostly rocky, but the water's gorgeous, so refreshing. And this one is my favorite by far, just for how secluded it is and how like there's nobody here, and it's just really nice and refreshing.
So are these flowers? No, they're not.
Dang it. These flowers.
That guy Yurai, who owns the rental place that we rented the scooter from, he covered our ice creams. He's so nice. He was eating ice cream when we came back, and he's like, "This is the best ice cream you'll ever eat." So we had enough time. We had like 10 minutes to be able to get ice cream and then catch our boat. And so we were about to buy our ice cream, and then he was like, no, I'm covering it. And then they talked in Croatian. They didn't let us pay for it. Neither the owner or the guy who rented us the scooter let us pay for the ice cream. So he covered our ice cream. So thank you, Yorai. You're the man. We miss you. We love you.
Incredible. This guy holding the key to the city.
Yo, Mr. Mayor, what up? Can I get that key, please? What up, Croatia? Are you gonna wave again for me? Come on.
Shy flag.
Shy Flag, Mr. Shy Flag decides to wave when I walk away.
Look at this right here. These are crazy.
Oh.
What do you even call these things?
Those are purple puffballs.
Purple puffballs. That sounds about right.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my, my oh my, a kiss listen, so I did.